back down at the bridge. I kind of wanted to be on the other side, but because I've caught fish here before, I'm like, I can't. I have to try and get some fish. And today, what we're gonna do for the pike is I've got a challenge. I started pike fishing just this season, and lo and behold, so did the Eastbourne fisherman. So he messaged me the other day, and he says, right, let's have a challenge. What do you think it should be? I said, right, okay, so we can do that. The challenge is a double figure bass. I'm in the wrong kind of water. A double figure pike on a lure that you've hand painted yourself. I've hand painted my own lure that I'm going to try and catch a pike on today. I think it's a little big, but from what I've researched, it's not. It's like standard. That's my hand painted lure. It's pretty massive. So I'm determined today to catch a pike on it. I'm gonna have a few chucks with it and see what we can get, man. So Eastbourne fisherman, I'm after you, man. The last challenge we had, won that, and I'm gonna win this one too, buddy. You always want to use a wire trace for pike, man. This lure has got, I'll try this hook attachment right on the front first. So there we go, dude. Let's get this bad boy out, man. Okay. A double figure, huh? I don't know if we'll get a double figure out today. Could do, you never know. Let's go down here a little bit. This is where I was last time, and I like literally fell straight in the river. That little hole right there. Ooh, careful, careful. Ooh, that was a hit. Oh, it's following it. It was following it, man. Oh. Okay, come on. Oh, and I'm on. Yes. Yes, on the hand painted lure, dude. Look at that, boom. There we go, man. Yes. All right. Oh man, I thought that lure was gonna be way too big, dude. And it really isn't. There we go. What is that, like second cast? Don't know what it weighs, but that's not double figure. All right, let's get this dude back, man. There we go, buddy. There we go. There you go, bubs. Second cast in hand painted lure. And I forgot my phone in the car. That sucks, because now I have to go and get it. Right. I want to take a picture of it. At least I got it on video. And the McHybrid doing the business. Boom! Alright, let's get some more, man. Yes! You also want to make sure, you guys, that you use a wire trace for pike. because they can bite through mono and braid, and it's a safety thing really, because if they bite that line off, they now have a hook in their face and they're swimming around with a giant lure in their mouth. Let's see if we could pull out some more. Oh, I thought this lure was going to be way too big, to be fair. Oh, there's one follow. I gotta follow. I gotta follow. I have a follow. He's like right next to it, dude. There he is. There he is. All right. By the follow. Come on, babies. Ooh. A little bit further. That would have sucked. Oh, bite. Get him in. Yes. Oh, that's a bigger one. Where's the mat? Where's the net? Where's the net? There we go. Okay. Oh, it's gone in the bushes, man. Come on, get out of there, dude. Oh, he's only a little guy. He's only a little jack. Let's see if I can get him out of these bushes. There we go. Bam. Yes. Ah. That's two today, man. On the McHybrid. Look at that. Very nice. He's got a little mark there. There we go, man. Look at that guy. Boom. Yes. There's two. Let's get him back as well. There you go, bubs. Swim on for next time. This McHybrid is fire. That's two in like 4 chucks. So I'm gonna go to the other side today, I think. I'll do a couple more chucks here, a couple chucks over there, see what's going on. Whew. And then yeah, man, we'll get over there. So cool. Bam. God, I love this so much, man. Yeah. Oh, there's a bite again, dude. And again. Oh, came off. He was on there. He was on there. Come on, McHybrid. They like this McHybrid, man. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, he's a nice one. He's wrapping up in the thing. Oh, I seen him take that one. That was awesome. Come on, buddy. I need this a little longer. No, out of the bushes. There we go. Ah, yes. That's 3 today. Ooh, this is a nice one as well. He's a bigger one. Oh man, it's so awesome to see him take it. It is absolutely amazing. You gotta let go of that stuff, dude. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Yes. Nice one. Yes. That's 3, man. That is 3 today. So awesome. It's so awesome. Seeing the lure and then seeing the fish come and take it. Dude, I love it so much. Oh, let's move down a little bit, dude. Let's see what's happening down here. This isn't a big area, man. It's only a small area, but it's producing some nice fish, to be fair. For me, anyway. Seeing as I'm only a beginner. Got another kayak on its way out, or way up the river. Morning. Let's go. Out. Perfect. Lure them out of their hiding spots. Slow retrieve, a twitch every now and then. I've had 3 out today, so that's cool, man. I'm digging that. Digging it. Oh! Boom! Oh, he had it in his mouth! He had it in his mouth. He had it in his mouth. I cannot believe I just saw that fish sitting there, right there, with the damn lure in its mouth. Just chilling. Just hanging out. I love watching it. I just love watching them come out of nowhere and attack the lure. It's amazing. Go upstream a little bit. No. Oh, I can't lose it, man. And I can't get in there because it's too deep. Okay. My lure. My favorite lure now. Got stuck in the tree. And I got it back. Oh, yes. I was not letting that one go bye-byes. Got it. That was hard work, man. I thought I was gonna lose that lure. Okay, I think I'm gonna go on the other side of the river now, man. I just want to try this hole. It's hairy getting down there, man. I'm hoping for a perch or something. There's meant to be some nice perch out here, but I'm not feeling it right now. I was on that side. It's really hard to get a spot up stream there. So I'm back where I was this morning. Gonna give it a couple wings, about another hour or so. The bites have slowed right down. Maybe it's the time of the day, I don't know. But yeah, let's get a bait. I've changed bait. I've taken the McHybrid off and I've put a smaller bait on. Just a soft plastic. Got the little stinger hooked up to it. Give it a couple wings around this little area and see how it goes, man. Hopefully we can hook into a fish before we go. I'm feeling pretty confident about this little area. I like this area, so all right, let's give it a shot, man. That's me done, man. It's canoes up and down this whole river, and it's handle your business, man. Do what you need to do. We had 3 pike today. A couple of nice ones for me, man. I mean, a lot of people will call those jack pike, small ones. But seeing as I haven't caught pike before, that's good for me, man. And Jason, that's 3, a double figure. You're lucky because I forgot my scales. So I think there was one of those that was close to a double figure pike on a hand painted lure. The I can't say it, but it's a McHybrid, and it looks like it has been through battle today. That sucker is just bam. I'm gonna have to do some touching up on that thing, man. All right, guys, I'm off. I might get one cheeky chuck in on the way to my bag, but other than that, I'm out, man. If you guys like these kind of videos, hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon, give the channel and the page, give us a thumbs up, man. It really helps us out. So, all right, it's us. It's me. I'm out, man.